If you've tried to put a full 3/4 inch dado stack on your sawstop table saw, you know the problem. There's simply not enough shaft to install both the arbor washer and the arbor nut. The arbor washer is there to distribute the clamping force of the arbor nut evenly across the blade. That even pressure is still important when using a dado stack, maybe even more important. So do you really want to just leave it off and put that skinny little nut against the blade? We don't. That's why woodpeckers developed the dado nut. Dado nut combines a precision-machined arbor washer and a specialized arbor nut into one integrated unit. The nut has the same number of threads as the stock sawstop arbor nut, but over half of them are inside the arbor washer. Even with a full 3/4 inch dado stack on the sawstop arbor, you can get complete engagement of the arbor nut. Dado nut doesn't require anything new or different for installation. It uses the standard sawstop arbor wrenches. Just use it in place of the factory arbor washer and arbor nut. Dado nuts are turned on our state-of-the-art CNC Swiss lathes and held to strict tolerance for flatness and thread accuracy. We make them from a special heat-treated steel that holds up to repeated installation and removal. When you take the dado blade off and put your normal saw blade back on, you'll probably decide to use dado nut for that too. It's just that good. Dado nut, the safe and accurate way to make wide dados on your sawstop table saw. Order yours today.